So welcome to my channel. So in this video I would like to first tell that yesterday was my birthday, and birthday I got a new laptop which I am going to use for my college. And what is happening is that as other computers, it has came pre-installed with Windows. So I tried to use Windows after something like 7 years or 6 years, I don't know. So what happened is that I am a child which I have grown with Linux, in Linux environment, and I probably have used Windows before that for something like 5 to 6 months. Like Windows 10 was my first operating system that I used when I got my first PC, which is right here. And now the time has a change, and now there is a change. I have got a new laptop, and it is came installed with Windows 11, and I tried to use it, and surprisingly I found it really hard. Why? Because I am used to of Linux. I do everything in the way that a Linux user do, and I have problem with using Windows 11, and I can't sort it out because basically I am tired of signing in every kind of software and signing up every account and making dozens of accounts. I am like just broken. So what I am going to do is I am going to install Garuda Hyprland. That is something in which I have volunteered my own self for its creation. So I would install Garuda Hyprland in my new laptop, and I would guide you all along with my process, and I will share my experience how it went. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first thing is always like you have to go to Garuda Linux website and have to download the ISO. So I have already downloaded it, and where you can download is just like how to download it. You have to just go to Garuda, and here it comes in the result, and just go there, and you can go to its download page and scroll down to the bottom, and here you will find the Garuda Linux Hyprland download link, so you can download there. I have already downloaded and burned the ISO. You can find how to download and burn the ISO in their wiki, which is here. And as you can see that this thing just doesn't work as well as I think. So I have to set up many things, like I have to, now you can see that I have to set up update my clock. So let's do it first, and now refresh it. Whatever. So it doesn't work the way I want to. So let's quit it and just directly go to the installation media that I have created, and I have already plugged in. So let's go to, first you have to press Alt F4 and then choose the restart and just press enter, and you have to find out by your own which keys will open your BIOS setting menu. For me it is escape key. For you, I don't know, you have to find it out by your own self. So when I will press BIOS escape key, so I will see the options here, all the options that I have. So what I have to press is F9, and then choose the CD DVD, and in which my Garuda Hyprland ISO is present. Now press enter. You can see the welcome screen. Now press enter again, and now it will start initializing the ISO, and soon we will be in the live media session. So till then I will pause the video. So now we are in a login screen, and what you have to do is you have to type Garuda as your password to enter into live session. So let's enter it, and here you have Garuda Linux Hyprland open. And now what we would do is we would install it into our main system. So let's do it. I would change my recording to from my phone's camera to the screen of my laptop itself. So let me do it. So hey guys, so we are in our system. So let's first what we have to do is that let's first do the very crucial thing, that is connecting to internet. So you have to type nmtui, then go to activate a connection, then I would choose my Wi-Fi and then press enter and wait for a while. It got connected. So now what we would do is that we would either press mod I to start the installer script, or we can directly click here and see if it runs. So yeah, it runs. So let's wait for a while, and now let's click and next, and time zone is correct. Let's check our keyboard if it is properly set. So yeah, it is, I think, well set, and there is no problem in it. So let's continue. Now what we would do is that we will do a manual parsing, and let's click on next. Or we can do a little bit another thing, like we can use a G-Parted here instead of doing manual parsing. Let's open G-Parted, and maybe I think it won't open like this. So we can use sudo, then -e, then write the name G-Parted, and then press enter. There it is opened. So what we would do is that we would do a parsing. So for that you have to just resize this thing. Maybe I have to open again back Windows and do a partitioning manually. So let's do it and get the thing done. Like, I don't want Windows anymore. Somehow I have to just find a way to get it done. Okay guys, so we are back now, and we have did the partitioning after getting back into the Windows system, and now we can do the installation process again. So let's do it as quickly as possible. So let's wait for a while and then click next. Yeah, time zone is correct. Keyboard is also ready. So let's replace a partition and just select this. It is the space which I have selected for Garuda. I have something like 75.17 GB for that Windows system, and for Garuda system I have put something like 400 GB. So let's click next, and then I would put my name, and let's add our password. So we will make a new password and then enter it, and then repeat the same again, and we will keep all the other things same as it is. So now let's press next, and now this is a summary of what is going to happen. Like we will have Garuda here, and then Windows thing here, whatever it is. Like I literally don't want to keep Windows in my system, but the thing is that I don't know, as I haven't went to college, and the next month my first year is going to start, and at that point I would know whether they are going to let me use Linux for full, or they have some kind of things which are just going to work in only Windows and I can't use it in Linux. So whatever the case is, so we should be prepared for it in our life. So let's just click now install, and click install now, and just let it run. And I would come back to you all in a while after getting it completed. So till then I will pause the video. So guys, we have finally done our installation of our repositories, and it has also updated our system automatically. So what we will do next is that we would install our favorite packages, uh, which I have already copied and copied in my clipboard, and now we would just need to press enter and then type our password, and it would install it. So let's press Y and then let it install the packages that we have. And now what I will do, the next thing is that I want to have my new Vim configs in my computer back. And even before that, I want to set up my G-Hyprland config. So for that, what you have to do is that you have to press mod shift and G, and then you have to press Y, and it would ask a password, so we would enter it, and let us wait a while for it to complete the installation. So the update is completed. So now let's install our G-Hyprland. So just press Y and then let it do the thing. Now here it is completed. So what I would do is that there is a little bit of problem, so we would solve it from Hyprland itself. So just you have to choose the correct resolution and it would do it. Everything is now fine, and just I would select my favorite theme and press mod plus Y and it is completed, and press alt plus shift plus H and you will have your dog. So that's it, and now I would change my background to my custom wallpapers, which I have already placed in the right path. So what I have to do is I have to go to backgrounds and then wallpaper path and then custom wallpaper and then press yes and then type 1, and here it is changed. So now I have my custom wallpapers that I prefer the most. So that's all for this video, and I will see you next time in another video. And what I realized after getting a new laptop and after having a headache with Windows 11 is that whatever you use from your child is your favorite operating system. And if I use Linux, so I would feel easy in using Linux. But if someone is a guy who have grown up with Windows, so he would love to use Windows, and that's natural. Like if you are living in some kind of environment in which you are used to of it, so you would like only that environment. If you have to shift to another kind of environment, so you will probably have some kind of uncomfortable situations. So till then, bye and take care.